In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up audio in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to make an audio clip play faster, DaVinci Resolve gives you a very simple way to do it directly in the timeline. This is useful if you're trying to shorten spoken audio, speed up a sound effect, or adjust timing so your audio fits better with the rest of your edit. To begin, go to the audio clip you want to change. Make sure you're in your timeline and that you can clearly see the clip you want to edit. It helps to zoom in a little if your timeline is crowded, just so you can click the correct audio file without selecting something else by mistake. Once you've found the clip, right-click on it. This will open a menu with several editing options. From that menu, click on Change Clip Speed. This is the setting that controls how fast or slow the selected audio clip plays back. After the Change Clip Speed window opens, look for the speed percentage. You can click and drag the percent value to the right to increase it. As you raise the percentage, the audio will play faster. In other words, the higher the speed percentage, the quicker the clip will sound, and the shorter its duration will become in the timeline. This is a fast and convenient way to adjust pacing without needing any complicated tools. If you only need a small change, try increasing the percentage gradually so the audio still sounds natural. If you push it too high, the clip may start to sound noticeably sped up, so it's a good idea to preview the result after making your adjustment. Once you've set the speed where you want it, that's all you need to do. Your audio clip will now play back faster based on the new percentage you selected. A quick tip before you finish: always listen back to the edited clip in context with the rest of your project. Even if the speed sounds fine on its own, you want to make sure it still matches the rhythm and timing of your video. Small adjustments can make a big difference, especially when working with dialogue or music. And that's how to speed up audio in DaVinci Resolve.